What's up, girl? What are you doing? Are you a good? Really? Baby? Say baby. Sweet baby. 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 Whee! Sweet baby. Are you a baby? Are you? Good girl. Good girl. Sweet baby. Good girl. Sweet baby. Good girl. What you gonna talk about? Baby? 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 Sweet baby girl. Baby? Baby? Hey, where you going? Sweet baby. Where you at? Where you at? I see you peeking. I see you peeking. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. I can't keep up with you, girl. Too fast for me. Hey, why are you chewing up my cup? Why are you chewing up my cup? She said, I need one of these. She really wants to drink out of it. I'd rather you not chew up my cup. Hey, what you doing? Spicy? Spicy pants? Yeah, there's another one. She said, oh, two cups. One has diet drink, one has water. Yeah. You take the water? She said, I'll take the water, please. I'll take the water, please. Oh, this girl. You done turned the cup over. She said, oh, that scared me. I had to go. See there? That's what you get for messing with it. She said, Mama, that scared me to death. You're all right. Goodness. You're all right. You all right. You're so silly. Did you get scared? She said, I had to go. She had to go. She got scared. Good girl. Good girl. Aren't you a sweet girl? Aren't you a sweet baby girl? Good girl. Good girl. Say sweet baby. 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 Say baby. Baby. Sweet baby. Let me see that beaky beak. You still got trash on there, or food or something. Be still. Let me get that. Did I get it? Did I get it, girl? She said stop. Let me see your beaky beak. You better give me that beaky beak. Let me see that beaky beak. I think I got it. I think it was fig. Looked like fig. You had fig for breakfast, so probably was some figs. Yeah, you had figs and apples. She said that was good, too. Listen, you are chewing up my shoe. If you chew up my shoe, girl, I'm not going to have nothing to walk on. What you doing? What you doing? Why are you all in there chewing up my shoe? Are you a good girl? She said, yes, I am. Shoestring tried to get you? You a good girl? Of course she's a good girl. Of course she's a good girl. When she wants to be. And when I want to be, I'm a good girl. That's a good girl. You working on it? She said, I can't figure this thing out. She wants to chew it up and she can't. Some pretty good shoes, girl. Pretty good shoes if you can't chew them up. Yes, they are. Pretty good. Because you chew up everything. Here we go. I won't say the name. I'll just show you. Good chews. The birdie can't even chew them up. You're so rotten. You're so rotten. You rotten girl. Are you rotted? She said, I am. Yeah, I heard her yell at you. She said, that's my sister, Merle girl. You a good girl. Sweet baby. Having fun? Are you having fun? I said, I am having fun. I like to sit up here with my mama and chew her shoe up. Yeah, she likes to chew up her mama's shoe. Yes, she does. She's a good girl. All right, shoe chewer. What you doing? Hey, what are you doing? You good girl? Shoe chewer? Are you a good girl? You're so silly. You're so silly. What you doing, sweet baby? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing, sweet baby? Sweet baby girl. What you doing? What you doing? Sweet baby. Sweet baby girl. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Sweet baby. Sweet baby girl. Good girl. Are you a good girl? Are you a sweet baby? Sweet baby girl. All right, I'm moving my shoe. Move the remote. You can't chew the buttons out. She said, but I will. I know you will. That's why I had to move it, girlfriend. We have to have our remote. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Pretty girl. Where you going? You going back to that cup? I guess it didn't scare you bad enough, huh? She said, nope, I'm going to chew on it again. Girl, you going to turn it over? You going to turn it over? She said, I don't want to turn it over, but I want to chew on it. Listen, get out of that cup. Get out of that cup. You know you're worse than a toddler. Absolutely worse than a toddler. Yes, you are. Woohoo! What you doing? What you doing? She said, I'm gonna turn this cup over. Hey, will you leave my cup alone? I'm gonna move my cup. Alright, put the handle that way. Maybe you won't get it. Silly. Silly girl. Hey, where you going? Pickles. Where you going? Pickles. Where you going, girl? Where you going? You're so silly. Why you gotta go in there? She said, because I want to get into something else that I know I'm not supposed to get into. Pickles. Come on here. Pick. 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 Pickles. Don't turn that over. If you turn that over, it's going to go everywhere. Pickles. Come here. Come here. Come on, let's get a toy. Hey, let's get a toy. She said, I got a toy right here, a whole cup full. Girl, get in here. You know you're not supposed to be in there. Come on. Come on, Pig. Come on. She said, no, I'm not. Come on, Pig. What's that remind you of? It reminds me of children who don't listen when you call them because they want to do something else. Pickles. Pickles! Hey, I told you was worse than a toddler, girl. Yeah, if anybody wants to get one of these birds, you better be ready. Yeah, say, cause you gotta chase me around the house all day long. Yeah, and get me out of stuff all day long. Yes, you do, and clean up her messes all day long. Yeah, full-time job. Girlfriend, are you a full-time job? She said, yes, I am. Absolutely. Hey, come on. Bye, Pick. Bye, Pickles. Bye-bye, Pickles.